Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case for your LG G3. Alright, now first up, let me pull up the website real quick so you can see where to get it from. Go to Spigen.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. Alright, so we got the LG G3 Case Ultra Hybrid. Now this one comes in three colors. You got mint, you got gunmetal, and you got metal slate. The price for this, $19.99. Alright, so 20 bucks. Now, it's hybrid material for elite protection, also regular protection, shock absorption, and grip and anti-slip. 100% satisfaction guaranteed, and free shipping on all US orders, automatic win. Alright, now check out the product details for yourself. You can pause this if you want, but the Ultra Hybrid series is a clear choice for protection for your LG G3. A true hybrid case. It is a perfect blend of a bumper and a full enclosure case. The soft yet durable TPU bumper securely encases the device to provide excellent protection and grip while maintaining the minimalistic look of the LG G3. Protect your LG G3 with the best of both worlds. A stylish bumper case without compromising protection. Alright, so you got a combination of TPU and high-grade polycarbonate, air cushion technology corners, new double-sided scratch preventing coating, clear, you got crystal clear back panel, perfect grip. Alright, 20 bucks. Now on Amazon, you can find the same one right here. Let's click on that one. You got the Ultra Hybrid right here on Amazon for $8.99. Alright, so I'll throw the link for that up in the description. And if you see my video for the Ultra Fit, this on the same page. It's going to be on the same page as the Ultra Hybrid. You just got to click all the way to the end, and you'll get the Ultra Fit for $9.99. So $8.99 and $9.99 for those two cases. A little bit cheaper on Amazon, but like I said before, sometimes on Amazon you don't get the real deal. Sometimes you do. I never had a problem with Amazon. I'm all about savings. Do the math yourself. Now let's take a look at the case. Alright, so you got the Spigen Ultra Hybrid for your LG G3 air cushion technology. Alright, if you look at the back, shows you some of that air cushion technology. You can read this. Let me see. Form fitted to the device. Alright, and everything else is in other languages. So let's pop this open. Let me grab my little unboxing knife. And let's open this up. No, I'm just kidding, fellas. Let me grab the small one before y'all see me cut my finger off live on on video. All right, here we go. Live on video. Now, one thing I will say, these cases not the easiest to open. Somebody count me down into beast mode because I feel it coming. Okay, here it goes. Here it goes. All right, false alert, fellas. False alert. Hold the countdown off. False alert. All right, so let's open it up and see what you get inside. Okay, you get the actual case. Now, real or fake? All right, if you purchase from a third-party reseller, make sure your product is genuine Spigen merchandise by checking your serial number at originalspigen.com. Inside, you get a nice clear screen protector. So now we got 3 of these so far. Put that to the side. Like I said, keep those. If you're not rocking the glass screen protector, then definitely rock this. Don't have your phone raw dog with no screen protector at all, because you're going to be sorry once you get that first scratch. You're going to wish you just took 10 minutes out of your day and put one of these on. And if you're used to this will really only take you about 2 or 3 minutes to put on. And of course, you get your official Spigen certificate of authenticity. All right? Make sure you got the real deal right there. And real quick, a lot of cats have been buying them on Amazon. Now, Spigen has an Amazon store, so you could buy from the Spigen store on Amazon, no problems at all. All the ones I buy, they always come with these. Now, if you buy one and it doesn't come with this, and sometimes the camera cutouts don't line up 100%, or the case might be a little bit too big or too small, then you got a fake one. All right? What I would do is immediately send it back to Amazon and reorder another one. All right, but if you want to save a couple of dollars, get it from Amazon. If you don't want to waste no time and you want to just get the official tissue right off the back, then just order it straight from Spigen. Free shipping on all US orders. That's the same kind of savings you're going to get on Amazon if you're not a Prime member paying shipping and handling. All right, so now let's take a look at the actual case. Peel that plastic off. Nice TPU material. transparent back. Now you got a cutout for your volume up and down, cutout for your flash and your camera, cutout on the back for your speaker. The bottom, you got a cutout for your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, cutout for your micro USB charger. On the top, you got a cutout for your IR blaster and your mic. All right, now this little cutout right here is for the Korean version. If you've never seen the Korean version of the LG G3, it has an actual antenna that pulls out and you can watch TV. But we don't got that on the American version, so whatever, it is what it is. Now let's drop the case in and see what it looks like. Real nice. Now, you see I got the gold LG G3. This case is kind of perfect if you want to show off the back of your phone. Now, depending on what color phone you got is going to help you decide which color case you want to get. If you want to get the slate or the gunmetal, or if you just want to get the mint joint. I like the mint one, though. Don't get me wrong. I'm definitely feeling the mint one. My girl, she likes the mint one too, so I had to get one for her. So we got this one right here. So let's bust this one open. Y'all want to let's beast mode this one open. I needed to get that out my system real quick. A lot of cats been want me to go into beast mode. There it is for you. All right, now inside, another screen protector, so we'll throw that to the side. Another certificate of authenticity. And another case, the mint joint. All right, so the mint one is exactly the same, just mint colors around the side. All right, exactly the same. So on a scale of 1 to 10, this case is a win. $10 on Amazon, $20 on the website. What's there to complain about? All right, you get the clear back, so you're going to be able to showcase the back of your phone, especially if you got one of these gold versions. You know what I'm saying? And you're definitely going to be able to let that shine through. When you're rocking your phone like this and the sun is reflecting off the gold on the back, blinding everybody next to you, you're going to be looking like a boss. You see, you got your cutout for your speaker. Everything is available. Micro USB, headphone jack, IR blaster, microphone, volume up and down, camera, flash, sensors, everything. Everything is available. So this is a good look right here. All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, I definitely give this a win. For the price, it's a nice case to protect the back of your phone. And it's also, if you look, it's also raised up a little bit on the front. So if you put your phone down in the front, the screen is not touching the table. Now, I do have a glass screen protector on there. I got the Spigen one on here right now. So all y'all cats that's going to ask, does it fit with a glass screen protector? The answer is yes. I got a glass screen protector on here right now, and the case fit perfect with no problems. And I always say, look, if you're not going to buy a fancy case, you don't have to go out and buy out of box for $50. You don't have to go buy Elements and all of these other fancy companies spending $100, $200. Now, I like to have a whole bunch of cases, so I'm going to buy them anyway. But if you just want to have a minimalistic case and you don't want to spend too much money, $20 from Amazon, $20 from Spigen, $10 from Amazon, get one of these. Trust me, and get a glass screen protector, and now you don't have to worry about your phone getting beat down, getting scratched up, looking all bummy when you pull it out of your pocket. That's the last thing you want to do when you're pulling out a flagship phone, to have a big crack on the screen, scratches all over the back. This will have the back of your phone looking real nice, and no matter what color you got, with the see-through back, it's going to shine through. It just looks even more boss with the gold version, though. All right, so that's what it is. Check out the links for yourself. Let me know what y'all think. Shout out to everybody that rock with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where we at full time, 100% full throttle. It's your boy Floss. I'm going to catch up with y'all on the next trip. Hit me up in the comments, too, if y'all like to see the beast mode more often. You know, like I said, I'm in anger management right now, so trying to slow down from beast mode. But, you know, if y'all like to live through me through the video every now and then, you know, you got that annoying coworker next to you. Sometimes you just have to go in the bathroom and go beast mode on something real quick. Let me know. I'll beast mode in the video every now and then. Help y'all lose some of that anger. Help me lose some of my anger. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Oh yeah, before I get out of here, one more thing. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, go eat a fucking dick. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.